Hi, today I'm gonna be introduce you a new Google Chrome plugin that can help to get any website font family and font width, size, everything based on a website. So let's see what is the extension. It's personally built for me and it's my client work. And if anyone want, then I will create a tutorial for this extension, how I create this extension. Okay, let's see how we can use this extension. So this is our extension called Font Finder, and this is the short description, and our version is 0.0.4. Okay, and this is our font icon. It's already uploaded into the Chrome store, and if you can see, there is a icon called F. Just click on it and boom, this is initially empty, and you can also restart your extension. Okay, so make sure I refresh. This is my GitHub page, and also you can just for example just select this text and go back to your extension, and you can see everything about this text. For example, font family, font width, font size, line height, color, everything. And also you can reset this list. Okay, just click on it. It's called empty. So thank you.